Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play time on piano. Understanding time signatures is fundamental to playing any piece of music. The time signature, found at the beginning of a piece, tells you exactly how many beats are in each measure and which note value gets one beat. For example, in 4/4 time, there are 4 beats per measure, and a quarter note receives 1 beat. This foundational knowledge will guide your rhythm and phrasing. Let's explore some common time signatures you'll encounter. 4/4 time, often represented by a C, means 4 quarter notes per measure, making it very versatile. 3/4 time, with 3 quarter notes per measure, gives a flowing, dance-like quality, perfect for waltzes. 2/4 time, with 2 quarter notes per measure, provides a brisk, marching rhythm. Recognizing these will help you interpret a wide range of musical styles. To master playing in time, counting is crucial. Always count aloud, emphasizing the first beat of each measure, like 1, 2, 3, 4. A metronome is your best friend for developing a consistent tempo. Start slowly, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase. Practice various rhythmic patterns, ensuring each note is played precisely for its full duration. This disciplined approach builds strong rhythmic accuracy. Now, let's apply these concepts to your piano playing. Feel the pulse of the music not just in your mind, but in your body, perhaps by tapping your foot. Group notes naturally according to the time signature, understanding how phrases fit within measures. Always give a slight emphasis to the downbeat, the first beat of each measure, to provide a clear rhythmic anchor. This will make your playing sound more organized and musical.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.